Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a ribbon pour today. It's been about a month since I've done one. I really like this technique. It's fairly simple to execute, and it's an exciting painting because of all the movement in it. And if you're able to leave a negative space showing through the ribbons, it's not so busy painting that it drives you crazy. So I love it. So let's see what I can do today, see if I can make a pleasing one. I'm using Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints, which I have extended with a Floetrol and Glue mix. I will detail down below the ratios, and you can watch other of my ribbon pours and I'll explain why I do that. My colors, my background is this kind of a coral color. I mixed it with bright red, crimson, and orange. So then I thought it would be pretty. That'll be my background. Then I thought I'd have blues with it for a nice, exciting contrast. I've got cobalt, metallic cobalt, and then I mixed, what is this one? Light blue with white, so it would be opaque and show up nicely on the coral color. So I think that'll be pretty. And then I'm also adding some copper and orange. And then I decided I need a fifth color for ribbons, something light. So look what I'm using, pink. If you've watched me for any length of time, you know I don't like pink, but I shouldn't say that. I don't wear pink. I don't care for it on me, but I have been using it occasionally in my paintings, and I don't mind it that much. So there we go. But I would say it is my least favorite color. All right. I'm going to start by pouring out my base coat, and then I will tilt. I won't worry about covering the entire canvas. I will add my ribbons and then tilt to cover. Okay. Get it almost to the edges. Wish I could straighten this part out. I'm going to try to do that. There we go. Okay. That will do. Let's see some. Oh, look at that. Oh, well. It's lighter there. The wasn't mixed that well at the bottom, and I was trying to mix in that little section, and I added even lighter color. Okay. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, now I'm gonna add the ribbons in two parts. First, I'm gonna add the warm colors, and then I want the blues to be the star of the show. So I'll apply those last. So into this cup, set this out of the way while I fill the cup. So these colors will kind of be the supporting actors, because they're similar in value and in the same family as my base coat. Do a couple layers. Okay. Well, I have a little pink left. I might as well use it up. No point in leaving it behind. Okay. I'll set. Now I'll pour it now, and then I'll fill the blue cup. And here we go. I like to apply it in a figure-8 motion. And usually start off the base coat, because when it starts off, I don't care for the look of it so much, so I don't mind tilting that off. So we'll start over here. And then big, oh, I knew that would happen. I knew the phone would ring. Yep. Okay. Oh, it's kind of interesting. And now the blue. So the cobalt, light blue, and use it up. All right, and the rest of the blue. Okay, look how dimensional this looks. I hope you can see that. But you see how when you start it, it's just a big blob of color. So I'm going to do the same thing. Maybe I'll start over here. And here we go. That's it. And now to tilt. I could have, poured the warm colors and the blues all in one cup and done one big pour, but they would blend together. This way they stay separate more, and I just think it's a good little tip, a little cheat. So I do apply it in a figure-8, but they get all wonky, and I like that look as I tilt. Okay. The sides are going to be nice when they drip down. Just this corner, and then I'll see if I want to send anything back. Oh, I'm rusty. I'm rusty on doing videos. I just got back from Las Vegas, where I did not attend PourCon, but I did get to go to the venue and see some people, meet some people, some teachers and subscribers. It was really a lovely visit. Okay. That blue, that pink, I don't like it. I do not like that pink. I did need a lighter color though. I didn't want to just go with white because I don't like when the white and the copper mix. So I opted for pink. It's okay, I guess. Okay, I think I'm done. And I have some gaps on the sides, on the corners. When it's all dry, I'll come back with probably, I'll come back with a dark blue and to match the cobalt and fill in the gaps. So let me bring you in for a closer look. And those lines and ribbons will stay exactly as you see them now. With this mix with glue in it, they do not move. They do not change on you overnight. And it'll dry nice and vivid. I guess that pink's not too bad. It's a decent piece. I hope you enjoyed that, my friends. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.